In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 3D core sphere using only Microsoft PowerPoint. This simple, striking animation is perfect for presentations where you want to grab attention without using any external software. Start by opening PowerPoint and creating a new blank presentation. A blank slide gives you a clean canvas and keeps your focus on the design. Go to the Insert tab, choose Shapes, and select the oval. Hold the Shift key while you click and drag to draw a perfect circle. This will be the main body of your sphere and the foundation for the 3D effect. With the circle selected, move to the Shape Format tab, click Shape Fill, and pick a color that suits your design. Then select Shape Outline and choose No Outline to keep the edges smooth. In the size options on the right side of the toolbar, set both height and width to 4 inches. Matching the dimensions keeps the circle perfectly proportional and ensures a balanced presence on the slide. To start shaping the 3D look, go to Shape Effects and choose Shadow. Pick a soft shadow and tweak its distance or blur so the sphere feels slightly lifted off the background. If you want a bit more polish, you can make gentle adjustments to glow or transparency to soften the edges. Next, right-click the shape and choose Format Shape to open the panel on the right. Head to 3D Format. Set the top bevel width and height to 144 points and do the same for the bottom bevel. These bevel settings sculpt the edges and create the illusion of a rounded, solid sphere with real depth, especially when combined with the shadow. Now let's bring the sphere to life with animation. Select the sphere, go to the Animations tab, and apply a Grow Shrink animation. Adjust the timing to keep the movement smooth and subtle, creating a gentle, pulsing effect that feels like a rhythmic core. Keep it understated so it enhances the design rather than distracting from it. With the sphere still selected, add a spin animation from the Animations tab. This introduces graceful motion and makes the sphere more dynamic and engaging. Fine-tune the duration so the spin feels steady and continuous. Preview your slide to make sure the pulse and spin complement each other and run smoothly. And that's it. Your 3D core sphere is complete in PowerPoint. No extra tools needed. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon for more creative PowerPoint tips and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.